the second question we have y square by 9 minus x square by 27 is equal to 1, and you may observe that the coefficient of y square is positive. Since the coefficient of y square is positive, right hand side has a 1, so the hyperbola will have transverse axis along the y axis. Transverse axis will be along the y axis in this manner, right? This will be the hyperbola that will have, and this will be the transverse axis of the hyperbola. The foci will lie on this axis. These will be the vertices, right? Okay, and this will be 0 comma a, this will be 0 comma c, this will be 0 comma minus a, this will be 0 comma minus c. Those are the vertices and foci respectively. Okay, this is x axis, this is y axis, and what are we dealing with over here is y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. This is the hyperbola that we are dealing with, right? Latus, rectum and eccentricity are pretty simple. Eccentricity is once again c by a. Latus rectum is 2b square upon a. This is latus rectum, right? Eccentricity is c upon a and latus rectum is 2b square upon a for this one. So once we are through with all of that information, then we can deal with this particular question. We can say, okay, here also we have transverse axis along the y axis, since the coefficient of y square is positive, right? And this here is a, this here is c. That's what we observe, right? This here is a, this here is c, and what else? What else? From the equation directly, I can observe that the denominator of y square is actually a square. So a square equal to 9 implies a equals 3. B square is equal to 27 implies b is equal to under root of 27. Under root of 27 will be 3 root 3. That's what you have, right? This is a standard form of hyperbola and this is what you have. What else? With the help of a and b, I can easily find the value of c. C is equal to a square plus b square and its under root. What is that equal to? A square plus b square is 36 under root, which is 6, right? We can directly add these and take the under root. That's what you get. C equals 6. Okay, with the help of these few things, can you easily find the foci? Write the coordinates of foci. Foci will be 0 comma c, 0 comma minus c. As you can see, 0 comma c, 0 comma minus c, which will be 0 comma plus or minus c, which is 6. Vertices. Let's take a look at the vertices. Vertices will be 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a, as over here this will be 0 comma plus or minus a, which is 3. So foci and vertices have been found. What next? Eccentricity is equal to c upon a, which is 6 upon 3, which tells me E will be equal to 2. What about latus rectum? The length of latus rectum will be equal to 2b square upon a, and that can be represented 2 times b square, which is 27, upon a, which is 3. This is equal to 18, and yes, that gives me the final answer. This and this are asked in this question, and we have found all of those things over here. That's the complete solution for this hyperbola, as we can say.